Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best compact digital camera on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. Saneen Compact Digital Camera. Saneen Digital Camera is a small, simple, compact, and easy-to-use camera that is ideal for those who are beginner and would like to learn how to take pictures with a DSLR. It has a beautiful design that makes it unique and different than other cameras. This camera has an amazing 16x optical zoom and 48MP high resolution to capture even the smallest details. The camera includes a 32GB SD card to help you start taking pictures right away. It's small enough to pack into a handbag, backpack, and suitcase, so you can capture the moment anytime, anywhere. It's suitable for more than the occasional snap. Built-in 32GB memory allows for high-quality photo and video recording, and the 4K Ultra HD camera takes crystal-clear pictures that you'll want to frame and hang on the wall. Number 4. Sony RX10-7 Compact Digital Camera. Sony's RX10 is a remarkable compact camera that stands apart from the crowd, and the RX10-7 is the latest version that was released in 2022. It features a 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor, which is larger than the traditional 1/2.3-inch sensors. The result is an outstanding level of detail, color, and dynamic range. Sony's engineers also added a quad-core processor, which allows for faster processing and focusing speeds. These two upgrades combine for incredible performance in a small package, so you don't have to sacrifice image quality for portability. This camera is wrapped in a durable, waterproof, and dust-proof shell. The backlit CMOS sensor and BNZX image processor paired to ensure seamless wireless connectivity and the ability to capture 4K HD video. This powerful imaging technology also enables 2560x1440 still images and 4K video recording. Number 3. ALHJ C6 Compact Digital Camera. ALHJ's latest digital camera is a powerhouse in a small package. With a 48MP resolution, this camera puts all other cameras to shame. Its built-in flash and live view will have you taking selfies like a professional in no time. Its super fast autofocus capability will make sure you never miss a photo opportunity. This camera can capture a photo every half second and comes with a 32GB SD card. You can also use the 16x digital zoom to get a closer look for those special shots. This versatile camera provides you with the capability to photograph high-quality pictures or videos, as well as record background sound with its built-in microphone. It has a 48-megapixel CMOS sensor that produces clear, crisp images in daylight or well-lit indoor environments. It also features a 4K digital camera producing a resolution of 6016x3384. The camera has a 16x digital zoom and autofocus for those times when you want to get a close-up shot of a nearby object. The DC6 digital camera features 32GB of internal memory and can be expanded to 32GB with the included SD card. It also has a rechargeable battery pack and a universal charger for maximum portability. Number 2. Lecran Compact Digital Camera. The Lecran FHD 1080p is a compact digital camera with 16x digital zoom feature makes it ideal for a wide range of photography uses, from personal vacations to weddings. Its vlogging feature lets you capture your daily vlogs. This pocket-sized camera is great for your outdoor activities like vacations and outdoor parties. With its built-in wizard mode, you can take professional photos with ease. The camera features a touchscreen interface with an easy-to-use menu and a 3.2 LCD screen. Lecran Compact Digital Camera delivers high-clarity recording with a resolution of 1080x1920 at 30 fps. You can now record quality videos and take high-resolution pictures with the 16x digital zoom. 1080p FHD vlogging camera that records clear and detailed videos in the day and in the night too. It has a lens of 36.0MP that gives you a better view of your surroundings. Shoot crystal clear videos and photos using this portable mini camera. This camera has a built-in LED flash that will help you record videos and take pictures in low-light conditions. This camera is built in with a 16GB memory card that comes along with it. You can also use it to store your movies and photos. Number 1. NIUBB C9B Compact Digital Camera. NIUBB C9B 48MP HD Compact Digital Camera is your best choice for your daily easy use. It's very fashionable and practical. Portable size with its 48MP camera, you could take high-quality photos at any time and anywhere. It also features 16x optical zoom. You can make clear and sharp photos as you want. DC9B camera supports up to 32GB TF card, and you could take tons of photos for your wedding, travels, and more. and never miss out any good photo opportunities. You can also make 4K video. It's a good helper for your life, work, and study. It offers 16x digital zoom to take impressive high-resolution pictures. A multifunctional pocket-sized super camera. It is small enough to put into your pocket and take it with you wherever you go. It is small enough to put into your pocket and take it with you wherever you go. With 32GB SD card and 2 rechargeable batteries, you can shoot and store all the wonderful moments of your life. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.